Today we're going to take a look at Ramesse's HMH Farm Sire, 2 years old, Boer Goat from the Magnum line. A few things you should look out for when choosing a sire for your farm. Try to get a goat with the perfect horn set that has a moon shape, goes perfectly around the head. Look for a more masculine face, long beard, more like male features. Also look out for the barrel belly, shows good body condition, good back line, a nice pair of testicles that shows increased fertility. If you notice here, he has a good stance, good toppling, nice body condition, has that masculine head, nice long beard, perfect moon shaped horn. So these are some of the features you try and look out for because your male is 50% of the genetics on your farm. Very important when doing your selection.
Do you realize that every day you thought you wasn't gonna make it? Do you remember them days where you thought it was absolutely unbearable and you thought you wasn't gonna endure that one? Do you know that your survival rate for every last one of them bad days is 100%? Your track record for surviving bad days is 100%. That's a fact.